In case Microsoft Flight Simulator is a little too realistic for your tastes, there's a new way you can take to the virtual skies. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Bet you guys didn't know, but Google Earth has a hidden flight sim mode of its own, and it can now be accessed by anyone globally via their browser. A source spotted a social media post from the Google property announcing this update. Google Earth seems to be the area where the tech giant remembers that tech can be cool and downright fun. In 2024, Google added an option for seeing historical recreations of select times and places. Like, if you wanted to see what existed on your house's land 50 years ago, you could actually do it. This is the sort of clever curio we love, and Google delivered even more the following year. Now, to get the flight simulator mode, just open Google Earth on your browser, go to Explore Earth, then the Tools menu to find your flight simulator mode. There's an FAQ for you newbie virtual pilots to help you get acclimated to the Google Earth simulation. But there are just two minor catches. One, this is an experimental feature, so you might have some wonky moments with the flight simulator. And second, Google wants to be very clear that this isn't enough to put you in the cockpit of an actual 747. As it notes, the flight simulator is designed for a casual exploration rather than high-fidelity aerodynamic training. So if you're heading to Trine right now, have a safe flight. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.